Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I am here, a PhD scholar. I am going to present a topic, phylum Basidiomycota. Introduction. Basidiomycota are typically filamentous fungi composed of hyphae. Most species reproduce sexually with a club-shaped Basidiomycota are typically filamentous fungi composed of hyphae. You can observe here in diagram. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel firstly. The mushroom producing basidiomycetes are sometimes referred to as gill fungi. Because of presence of gill-like structure on inside of cap, the gills are actually compacted hyphae on which basidia are born. You can observe here in diagram. General characters. Basidiomycota are large and diverse phylum of fungi that include jelly and shell fungi, mushroom, puffballs, or certain yeast, rust and smust. Basidiomycota are typically filamentous fungi composed of hyphae. Most species reproduce sexually with a club-shaped spore-bearing organ that usually produce 4 sexual spores. Classification of Basidiomycota. 3 classes are involved: Basidiomycetes, Eurydiomycetes, or Ostomycetes. Basidiomycetes produce a basidium multicellular fruiting body including the mushroom, brackets, puffball, jelly fungi, and stinkhorns. Eudinomycetes have no basidia. Telospores produce basidia, obligate plant parasites, and the rust. Ostomycetes, no basidia are present. Telospore produce basidia, facultative plant parasites, and the smust. Example of Basidiomycota: bracket fungi or jelly fungi. You can observe here in diagram. Puffballs. You can observe here in diagram the structure of puffballs or mushroom. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel, share our videos with your other friends, researchers, and your colleagues. Rust and smust. Rust and smust are also an example of Basidiomycota. Rust and smust, both disease of plant caused by pathogenic fungi in plants. It is caused by the pathogenic fungi of the order Coccinelles, or also known as Eurydiales. Rust and smust both are the limiting factors for successful cultivation for forest crops and agriculture. You can observe here in diagram rust and smust structure. Fruiting bodies. Basidiomycota is halocarpic, in which entire thallus is converted into fruiting body. Eventually, secondary mycelium generate basidiocarp, which is a fruiting body that produce from crown. You can observe here fruiting body. Structure of Basidiomycota: cap, gills, ring, scale, tubes, spores, stipe or stalk, scales. Life cycle. You can observe here in diagram. Basidiocarp, they form zygote, and after zygote formation, the basidium with 4 nuclei are produced and cell division occur. Basidiospores will be produced and they fall on ground and produce mycelium or hyphae. Male and female mycelium combine together to form another structure of species. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Like our channel, like our video, and if you have any question you can ask us in comment section, and if you want to share your point of view you can also share with us in comment section. Life cycle of Basidiomycota. The first stage is represented by the primary mycelium or homokaryon, which is formed by the germination of basidiospore. The later finding condition of temperature, food supply and moisture for growth and germinate to form a hyphae consisting of uninucleate cells. You can observe here basidiospores and primary hypha. The primary mycelium may multiply by conidia or sometime by odia. The second stage is the secondary mycelium. The cell of secondary mycelium are the binucleate. It represents the dikaryotic in the life cycle. The secondary mycelium originates from the primary mycelium as follows. Alternation of generation. You can observe here in diagram how 2n generation is converted to n, means haploid generation convert to diploid generation and diploid generation again convert to haploid generation. Means gametophytic generation is converted into sporophytic generation and sporophytic again convert to gametophytic generation. Conclusion. Basidiomycota is a major division of the kingdom fungi whose members are typically characterized by the presence of basidium. They reproduce sexually. Thanks to visit our channel. Thanks for your concentration, for your attention. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.